Terus.
A champion is someone. Champion is someone who have ever the challenge. A champion is someone. A champion is someone who gets up ever the challenge. Say it together. If you like to very hard. Sabi, isa ba? If you like to
What is this?